Hi guys, how are you? Hope you are fine. So today in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you official Amazon free Fire TV VPN for your Amazon Fire Stick device. This VPN gives you secure and fast and ultimate VPN service for streaming, browsing and all other activities. Just a single tap and you will be connected super fast VPN server of 20 plus countries. So this VPN is officially available on Amazon App Store. We don't need to turn on apps from unknown source. The same guide will also work for Firestick 4K Fire TV, Firestick Lite and Fire TV Cube. So let's download free VPN on your Amazon Firestick device. So first of all, what you have to do, you need to hold to search icon left side above the menu and type here free VPN for Fire TV. When you type free, the suggestion list appear. So scroll down and click on free VPN for Fire TV. Now here move forward and select purple icon of free VPN for Fire TV. Now press remote select button. From the next screen, you just need to click on the download button and the VPN for Fire TV is start downloading automatically. Just wait for a while until this is downloaded and it will be installed automatically. And here as you can see, VPN for Fire TV has been installed on our Fire Stick. Now you open this VPN from here and also from home. So after installing, go back home screen by pressing remote home button. And here hold remote home button for a few seconds. Click on apps. And here you will find all application that is installed on our Fire Stick. So scroll down and hold to VPN and press remote option button. Right side menu appear on your screen, so scroll down and click on move to front. Now here hover to VPN and press remote select button to launch. So guys, this is the home screen of VPN for Fire TV. Just click on go button and click on OK. And it will connect into server. Now click on never show again. And here as you can see, VPN is connected to Germany server. And if you want to find VPN server, just hover to location icon left side and press remote select button. And here you will see list of VPN servers. So guys, you can use this method to download free VPN on your Amazon Fire Stick device, and I hope this video was real for you. And please don't forget to click on like button, share button and subscribe button. And if you have any question in comments on below, I will see you guys next video. Take care.